Sorry about that. Yo, what up, guys? So, oh snap. Yeah, real quick, forgot. I'm gonna tell you guys something real quick. So, yeah, so I actually did complete the little, I've completed what is it called? The tribute form just like a couple of, just like a while ago, like today. And just give me one sec. I'm about to show you that apparently, alright, there we go. So apparently, the reason why this was not responsive was because if we go down here, I was supposed to display it as a block element at the same time. So if you go down here, where is it? So I made it so the header of the image, so the image itself had a max width of 50%, and it was a block element. Now the parent element, which was the image div, had a width of 100%, displayed flex. I made it so everything was aligned in the center, and I turned it into a column pretty much, and boom, everything is Gucci. So this is the end result, and it was responsive. Look at that, very cool, very awesome. And now we're gonna be building a survey. So objective: build a CodePen.ai app. Cool beans. So build a app that is function similar to this. Which I feel like is gonna be very possible. I can't wait. Kind of excited. And you can use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to complete this project. Plain CSS is recommended. Same thing as before. Alright, so let's see this real quick. So it has an H1. Pretty sure this is a paragraph tag. Looks like it has like a shadowy effect. Very cool. Stupid little font. Looks like it has a background. And then it has another div that has this right here. Pretty much a form. Input has a little hover effect. Please fill out this field. Has a nice little title effect as well. Age, which you can do with a number selector. Interesting. We can select a role. We can do this. And then we pretty much submit. Does it submit somewhere? Oh, looks like we have to type it in. Submit. Type it in. Submit. Interesting. Does it work? Ooh, it requires everything. And boom. That's what's up. Looks like everything is cool with this. So, I don't know. I guess we can try to redo this. So, what shall we do? How do we do this? So, you can build your project or use the CDN. So, use this fork me. Fork me, fork me. Love me. Say that you want me. Want me. Say that you love me. Where's the fork button? Fork me. Say that you want me. Fork. Beautiful. So now we can change this. Let's call this FC C survey form. Now we're gonna do the same thing like we did last time. Honestly, I don't want to read this. And select the project. I want to do this one. So survey form. Apparently there's a missing div. Alright, select the project you want. Click run tests. Every time I click run text, it does this. Click the test button to see the individual. Alright, so select the project you want to complete from the drop down. Oops, damn it. So I want to do this one. Click the run test. Okay. Click the test button to see the individual test cases. Doesn't work. Like, what is going on? I don't know why this always happens. Can we like delete this now? Cause I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Oh yeah, we can delete. Awesome. So what if we do another new pen? Okay. I want this to be a survey. Missing div. Hello world. Run test. Survey. Run test. Doesn't want to load. Load test? No. Why don't you want to do anything for me? Why do you hate me? But it works on everything else. I don't understand. It works here. Why? This is trash. Anyways, this is trash. Trash. I hate you. I hate you, man. Okay, so enough with all this. You can build by forking this. So what I want to do is make a survey form. Even right here. Hashtag mocha div is missing. Add it to. So what do I have to do? Like legit create a div with an ID that equals to mocha and end it. What is going on? Okay. Well, this is a disaster. Whatever, it looks like we're gonna have to do it the old school way. I'm gonna have to just copy this. And we're just gonna do it with Visual Studio. And then we're gonna put it on our little thingy. And bada bing, bada boom, life will be great once again. So, I don't know, we'll just use this for now. So, let's call this the form. We're gonna call this one tribute. That can go in there. Now we're gonna be working with this index, and then inside the head. Oh, I don't feel like copying this. So, ta-da, ta-da, beautiful. So now let's have some fun. So what we are gonna try and do is pretty much the following. Let's see. Let's add in the H1s in first. So, let's see. So you should start. I can see the title with an ID of H1. Alright, so we want to make it similar to this. So FreeCodeCamp survey form. Let's call this. Let's give this a survey form. So, initialize survey with an ID of title. Okay. I can see a short explanation with an ID. Okay. So short explanation. Just a little bit to know who you are and what you want. ID and description. Hope I spelled it correct. And I can see a form with an ID of survey form. Then we want to create a form. And then this is going to have an ID of survey form. Inside the form element, enter the my name field. So what? Let's give it a div with an ID of name. Or no, this is gonna have to be the input. I'm pretty sure they're talking about inputs, because we can only have one ID per page. So before we start like putting things in together, alright, so let's create an input text with an ID of name. Next is gonna be input email with an ID of email. If I enter an email that is not correctly, I will need it. So this is gonna be required, I think. enter a number in the field, so input. So input number. I'm pretty sure we can go like that with an ID of number. If I enter no numbers, yeah, I feel like it'll work. I'll look at it in just a sec. If I enter number that's not in range, min max. Okay, then I'm gonna have to work on this. For the name, oh, wow, never mind. So yes, this is gonna be inside a div. A div that has an ID of name. This is gonna be name label. This is gonna be email label. Oh, holy cow, what the heck is going on? Why is this green? Oh. Okay. And also a number label. I don't know why I just did that. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be like a div inside a number. Yeah, I don't know why I keep doing that. Div. Label. ID of email. Div with an ID of name. Label. And label. There we go, now everything should be okay. Alright, so for the name, email number, input fields, I can see a placeholder text for each field. Okay, so input with a placeholder, enter name, placeholder, enter email, enter, oops, enter number. What is this number? Age. age. Okay. Alright, so inside the form, I can select a field from one or more groups. Each group should have a... Oh, inside a form element, I can have an option from a drop down that has... Dang. Now we have all this other junk and stuff. So let's see. Inside the form element, I can see a field with one or more radio groups. That works. Drop down. So we want to try and do something like this then. Alright guys, so I'm very sorry. So yeah, we got a little bit of it done. I'm kind of in a little bit of a pickle today. So I'm gonna try and get everything done later. But yeah, so this is what we got so far. Basically just setting it up. So yeah, I'll be back. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys tomorrow.